like to say a warm good morning to all. This is Priyanka, hailing from Darbhanga, and I also would like to say thanks to sir who gave me a golden opportunity over here to speak about the effect of social media on youths. So are you ready?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. My first question is that how enough you have actual idea about
How
that?
many of you?
Yes, sir. How many of you have you actual idea about that? How much time you spend on social media, any type of social media? Does
Yeah.
anyone?
1 minute. Yeah, 1 minute.
Does anyone?
Take the camera, please. That side and stand up.
Does
and
anyone?
say. Stand up and say. Speak loudly. How many hours do you spend on the social media? 2 to 3 hours minimum. And what is maximum? See, it has, if minimum, there must be something maximum.
Maximum.
So if you talk average, then I would take only one answer. If you said average, I would take only one answer option. But here is minimum.
Depends on time.
Yeah?
Depends on time.
But maximum what? 4 hours. Please sit down. Rose, you are also telling something. How many hours you have spent on social media?
I spend 1 to 2
No, the sound is
1 to 2
right.
hours, that's
Would you
it.
please just speak loudly?
1 to 2 hours maximum I spend time on social media.
1 to 2 hours.
Wow.
Okay, anyone else? Boys there? How many hours? Stand up and speak loudly.
Average 1
Focus the camera there. Yes?
average 1 hour.
Sorry?
Average 1 hour.
1 hour. In a day, 1 hour. Okay, on every hour, 1 hour.
No.
In a single day?
Sit down. One more person was there. Yes, stand up.
It depends on the day whether.
Oh, that don't give me political answers. Come to the figure. Right, it's a political answer.
No, sir.
How many hours normally you spend on the social media?
Yeah.
1 hour, sir. On Sunday, it may be maximum.
Yeah?
It 1 hour on a day.
Okay.
On Sunday, it depends. It goes to the 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour.
Maybe full day also.
Yes, sir, 1 day.
That's okay. Come back to the speakers. Mr.
Okay.
Cameraman. Go back. And it's a respectful.
I don't want answer. I just want to take them think about the
Yes.
question. Okay.
That's okay.
And the second question: how many of you that?
How many of you?
Yeah. How many of you have used their phones and see your phones firstly when you wake up and in the night? The same things. Okay.
When you wake up at the night,
Before just
you are sleeping and you wake up at the night, then you see the phones.
yeah.
How many
And
of you? Raise the hand.
no, sir. I think everyone doing this. Everything are doing this.
2 a.m. night, if I get up,
Yeah.
I must check my cell phone. Which are the new messages I got and all that.
Okay.
Yes,
And,
I said any time.
And how many of
You are
you?
asking more questions.
No, sir. I already told that there
I
are
have
few
no
questions that I have to
Sure,
ask
I
you.
have no
Okay.
problem.
And the third question is, how many of you have accept this that you are addicted with phones or of any network site?
Okay, how many of you have been accepted
Yes.
that you are addicted with the
Phone.
phone?
Yeah, or only network site
You are
definitely.
addicted. किनको फोन की लत लग गई है? That is addict means लत लगना. This not love, this is a habit. How many of you? You are a liar actually. Everyone sitting here on the chair, you are addicted. Everyone sitting on the chairs you are addicted. Yes? Maybe 10% no, but 90% yes.
And my fourth question is that why you are use network site?
Why do you use?
Ask yourself, because everyone know about that network site is about to sharing information, sharing news, share your thoughts, share what you feel about the things globally. But ask yourself, is it the true that you use the network site only for this reason? Never, because there is reason now the people's use and the students mainly use the network site only for sharing their pictures, their memories, and sometimes many of the people sharing more and more their personal life also. But you have to know about network site is about globally and how you permit yourself, allow yourself to share your personal thing on network site casually. And the person who doesn't idea about how the person is what their real personality. And so I categorize my speech. Firstly, I talk about what is social media. I think a few minutes take. Second, advantage of social media.
Second, I'll say the advantage of social
Yes,
media.
I will say. Third, disadvantage. And fourth, the most important that we should to know about, and we should to familiar with these all things, that why we are addicted with social
We
media.
are addicted. Why?
Yeah, why we are addicted, and what is the specific reason behind it. Everyone, I think now, social media is a platform where we use our thoughts, where we learn, where we know everything globally. And disadvantage, I think shortly I told. Okay. Advantage, firstly I take advantage. Social media is basically more important and more needed platform for the students who are curious about to know learning, know everything, because everything I think related to your subject, related to your work, related to your professional jobs, everything's available on network side. So this is beneficial for those students. Yes, sir. So this is beneficial for those students or children who are curious. Yes, who are highly curious about to learning more and more things, curious, serious and honest with their works. Disadvantage is that there is so many disadvantages now. I see the social media. There is cyberbullying that I think many of people faces, and especially the girls. So many times she is trolled on the network side. And why we are addicted with social media? Because advantage and disadvantage, I think everybody know. I am talking about the
Everybody
things.
knows.
Yeah, I'm talking about the factual things that you should to know. In fact, you have to know about it. Why we are addicted with social media? Listen,
Addicted. Why
yeah, we are
are we
addicted with
addicted?
social media. There is a many reason.
Yeah.
There are many reasons.
Reasons.
Like you know what, social media are designed very carefully as the aesthetics roles on which that hooked up you to take more and more time on every apps, because your every minutes to spend on any apps give the monies of that company.
Really?
Yeah, and the things also is that why we are listen. What people are doing on social media, especially the youths, they are texting, they are chatting, they are sharing the thoughts. There is a reason, biological reason is there. There are according to researcher, there is a disease that is dopamine dignification. Something.
Dignification.
Yes, dopamine.
I don't have idea.
Yes, dopamine is a chemical. Yes, sir,
Okay.
that release.
Okay.
That release when we text. Listen, there is one thing that I want to. This chemical is same like when we are communicate. Like me and sir are communicate. Sir is communicating. Sir, take my name. We feel good during the communication. If anyone take your name, he or she, you feel good, because at the time there is a dopamine chemical that release that makes you feel good. The same dopamine releases when we are texting. This is the same that comes when we fall in love. There is reason because it gives pleasure, and I don't think that no anyone to spare with pleasure. Pleasure. Sorry, yes, pleasure. Everyone wants to get, and the most important things is that. The person who are know that I'm addicted with the attitude,
who know.
Yeah, the person who all know that I'm addicted with, but they are doing because when we like see one example. One
Talking so nice, especially telling how you are addicted.
There is one girl, okay, like me. Think I share my one pictures, I got like. I get so many likes at the time. Yes.
People count liking. How many like you are?
Yeah.
Then the competition goes on.
Comment.
Yes.
At the time in my brain there is a dopamine releases, and from this I more and in fact
I'm more and more happy.
more and more the main reason of this dopamine
makes us
chemical
happy.
it gives pleasure, happiness, pleasure, happiness. That's why we are doing this.
And normally I see whenever it's like status on the WhatsApp, maybe or any other different. So face they don't put normal type. Different, sorry for that, right? No? Different types of the face they are making. Like this here is up, down. Means different size. Yeah, am I wrong? I see normally. Normally it happens.
Sir, actually there is a reason I just want to share, because under these things I'm talking the serious things, and I don't want audience becomes in funny moment.
Yeah,
I just want they think about it.
Yes.
Yes.
Once again, be serious. Huh?
Okay.
Yeah.
No, sir. I think because that moment when they get motivated and
Yeah.
they prank or get any moment they dive out.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's why. And the things and you know what? The more people get, the more people want. Like in my things here. Huh?
Gandhiji also said, the more we get,
The more we want.
and still we are unsatisfied.
Yeah. Why we are addict? Because these chemical are also when released when we take drugs, we drink alcohols. That's why social media is addicted. And why people are the person or the students who are most addicted with social media, I think they are suffering from loneliness. Yeah, definitely. You see the surroundings around you, the people who have some frustration, some loneliness, they feel alone. That's why they attract with them, because the social media is where you found so many people to share your thoughts. Yeah, where you find so many people to share your thoughts, share your feelings, everything. But think about, before to doing this, think about this. The person you share all the things is right for you, is take a
You take the undue advantage.
yes.
He or she takes your advantage.
Yes, and there is also myths about social media gaming. That I heard many of people said that on the social media we play game, any type of game, we get sharp mind. Sir, I think this is totally wrong, because this is a myth.
So our mind becomes sharp. That is
Yes,
to say we play games.
yes, I heard. I think every single day I heard.
Yeah.
But I think during this is my personal experience. According to I teaches those pre-primary students, and
I teach.
I teaches.
Not teaching.
I teach. Yes, I teach. There are so many students, but on those all students, I found only 3 students. I found 3 students who have sharp mind. When according to the pre-primary teacher, you have to know about everything about your students and their families. When I am talk their parents, I notice the students who have sharp minds, their parents and guardian or any family members take them away from network site of any game. But the students or children who are addicted with their parents and their guardians are not aware of it, and they do not care about these all things. That is, we are not aware, and due to this, I also understand. The people said that playing game on network site is making a major mind sharp. No, I noticed that 3 children are very thinker. By mentally, they are active the all time, and they have sharp mind. And the student or the children who are busy on the network side, sir, you have no idea about that. 3 years student, but they are play game. They have
4 children.
They have no about it. There is yes, sir. There is one student who was in 6th class.
Who was?
Was in 6th class. He take his stations.
Okay.
I am fed up of my life.
Okay.
Means the student, the children who have doesn't idea about,
Who does not have
idea about what is life, they take their status. I fed up of
My God, fed up with
fed up of my life.
My God.
Why?
So did
लेकिन
you try to do like
all the
Amir
people,
Khan
yeah,
type?
all the people take
No,
it as
but did you try to know from that boy why did he write that I'm fed up with my life?
Yeah,
Like Amir Khan type from the movie Tare Zameen Pe.
no sir,
Right.
but everything's in fact all are laughed. But do you want to know about the behind of it? Why he take the because. At the time you are feel that I am frustrated, I am alone, I am lonely.
You feel I'm frustrated,
Yes.
I'm alone, I'm lonely.
Yeah, that's why that you are connected with the network site.
Guys, I hope you are listening carefully. A very good input is coming for us to get it. So I hope you listen as careful as possible, please.
So I think it's because I don't think there is any children who are in 17
children who are-
who are any audience who are 15 17. You have to the children who have no idea about they doesn't think, but you have to think about yourself now, because things ask yourself why you take your time on a network site. And you are told that
Oh,
you
yes.
yes
Oh, no.
yes
And
you
yes.
told that you take 4 and 5 hours means you are
2 hours.
no
It's a minimum 2 hours.
A maximum 4 hours. Now,
in a
let
single
me
day
something.
in a
Well,
single day
Yeah.
in a single day means you are
Highly
in the way of addict with phones.
I'm not addicted with phone.
No,
You are, you have no idea, but
Oh, hello. When the speaker is hello. When the person is speaking,
Sir, I'm not
there.
blaming her.
Yeah, please.
I'm
Then
not using for any
entertainment.
entertainment. I'm using for achieving any purpose of my life.
Okay.
okay.
I would like to say few lines actually. See, I got one parents today, not today, in the last few days. I met a parents. He said, I don't know this online classes, what the inputs they are giving to my children, but one habit they have got very bad. I said, what? Before lockdown, I used not to let him the phone and use. I didn't let him to use the phone anytime. But now, because of social media, the phone I have father gave him. So they say I have an online class, but inside when I go and see they are playing game. And how do I stop? And how don't I give them the phone? Do you understand? So now to avoid phone has become very tough actually. 3 hours, 4 hours, the online classes are
I
going
take
on.
already I told the advantage of I'm not, but you ask yourself honestly that why you are using the phones. I don't think all of them who are present here who use the phone only for learning, only for their work.
Yeah, less learning.
Less
more
learning
entertainment.
and
Some are doing for earning also.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, some are doing
work,
for learning,
I'm
some
already
are-
told.
Website they get their own channels and they are running from there. You don't know. People are earning lakhs
yeah,
of
sir.
rupees. And some of you have already the channels. Yeah, anyone have a channel for with the purpose to earn money? I hope Aman you have.
Yes.
What is the name?
True world.
True
World.
World. Okay. People have. They are earning lakhs of rupees. Some of my students are also earning.
Okay.
I'm on the way of just to start earning. Okay. Yeah, please. Then I hope everything conclude. the
Yeah. Yes.
Conclusion finally.
Conclusion, yeah. So if you feel that you are addicted with phones, so get rid of
Addicted,
this.
if you feel that you are
Addicted with
the
phones,
cell
to get
phone,
rid of this.
Rid of it.
First way, I think you should whenever you go anywhere, take a portrait camera, so you capture your memories on the camera, not your phones. First way.
Oh, stop taking the pictures with the cell phone.
Well, yes, and the second thing, spend your time.
Hello? This is all proper. Sit straight. Look at her on me. Yeah.
It's difficult to take a distance of your phone, so take a baby steps, like some quality time you have to make. You know, sir, when you are addicted with anything, and if you want to get rid of that, you have to be a determined person. You have to make your willingness so much.
It's difficult.
It is so difficult. That's why you should to be a determined type, a highly determined type person. That's why, and take a baby steps like what I am doing for, because at the time when I also addicted with the phone, that is the worst moment in my life.
Now you left.
Definitely, sir, I left.
Okay.
In 2018, that's why I'm talking about that, why people are addicted with, because due to do not qualified my medical, I'm also highly addicted with the phones, and that is the worst things I cannot share. That is the worst moment in my life. And after that 2018, I left it all the things, and what I do, and still I'm doing. Firstly, I use my phone. I didn't use my phone whenever I eat. First things, and many of the
That we do. Right?
second things.
Rizwan,
If
how he use cell phone is like this. I sight the plate, then hand is going on. I saw you.
yes, second things. Okay, there is also concern. How many in you who talk
How many
yourself?
of you?
How many of you who talk yourself in a day, single day,
Alone.
at least
Talk
15 minutes?
yourself.
Yeah, yourself.
Alone.
Yeah, alone.
Do you talk? You
Yourself.
talk yourself. We do talk.
I think only
Take some
50.
decision, analyzing something. Yeah.
Oh,
They talk.
that is also better for that. I think that the person have determination to take their self to innovate,
Okay,
make
they
their
cannot
innovation.
talk
Yes.
themselves.
And first things and second things, take a baby step. Like if you are think that I'm not able to get that, make
Just taken over.
yes, yes, sir, I am godly. Make distance from it. Take quality time with your own people. If you are like your parents, some of your friends, take the and communicate with face to face, not a phone, not on a texting.
If Papa is there in Saudi Arab, then how face to face?
I'm told your parents,
possible.
which is
It is
possible if your friends.
What is possible? Which is not possible, you can't.
And busy yourself in another
Hello,
things,
boys.
busy another self in other
Be
things.
busy with something else, playing some games.
That is
outdoor,
not,
indoor.
that is totally not related with network site.
100%.
Like baking, there is so
And
many
the
things.
best idea you can give, don't have Android phone, buy a simple cell phone.
No sir, if they have to know learning things about.
That for learning they will get the phone, and time to time in the learning also advertisement come very funny.
Yes.
So it's very tough to then stop using cell phone. Understand? That's okay. Something more?
Yes sir.
Oh my God. A roll number will come or not?
Huh?
Number of rolls will come?
Definitely come.
You cannot do like that. You are getting so good inputs. Very good she's talking, and plus the good, it's knowledge she's giving. Exactly what social media. Well, continue dear. I'm from your side, don't worry. Yeah. Yes.
Okay sir. What I do now?
Then finish, no problem. Can you all well clap for Diana?